Here we are pictured extricating the free edge of the posterior limb of the tear in this radial lateral meniscus tear. Here we are trimming the free edges of the radial tear, the posterior limb. Clearing the knee of any debris from the debridement. The Arthroscopic device is being brought through the anterolateral portal, and a suture is passed through the posterior limb of the tear. Brought out through the anterolateral portal. A loopy device is then used to bring the inferior limb of the suture to easy access with the suture retriever. The suture retriever is brought through the anterolateral portal and from the superior surface of the meniscus to the inferior surface, and the suture is grasped through that hole in the meniscus. An arthroscopic knot is then tied and is checked for stability.